Okay, to begin an installation of the Simple thermostat, you need to navigate to home.thesimple.com/install and click Sign Up. Go ahead and fill out your first and last name. If you are an installer, a professional installer, you will be filling out the customer's information here. Use the customer's email address, ideally. You can use your own, but then you're going to have to do a password reset from settings, so it's easier to just have the customer put their own information in there. The install code is on the back of the thermostat. This is unique to each thermostat and enables the device for install. Hit create account. Then you're going to need to check your email for the activation email. Go ahead and click the activation link. I'll bring you here. Log in with the username and password that you just set. You will need to enter your location. This is the address of the thermostat. Location name, square footage, and year built are not required, though recommended if readily available. This is going to tell you to remove your old thermostat, take a picture. We're not compatible with line voltage wiring, so watch out for that. Assuming that you've already done these, it's fine. This is the existing wiring. Of note is that with a simple thermostat, you need to wire to RH, but not to RC. We have an internal jumper. So, in this case, you can also just click R. W, Y, and G are your standard heating, cooling, and fan, and then C for common. Select which type of heating you have. Continue. This is telling you to attach wire labels, then existing wall plate. Install the new wall plate and attach the new wires. Those wire labels are to help you make sure that you don't mix them up. Snap it all back in and power the thermostat. Now you need to connect to Wi-Fi. Easiest way is probably WPS. The instructions are here. For the sake of this video, and because it's universal, we're going to join with access point instead. So on the thermostat, you need to hit the menu button, down until you see network, down until you see Wi-Fi now, and hit the mode button. You'll see therm dash a series of numbers and letters. The thermostat is now broadcasting a Wi-Fi network. What you need to do is go into your Wi-Fi settings and find that network. Not displaying yet. There we go. See? Therm-E497. Connect to that. And open in a new web browser tab or window. In this case, we're just going to do a tab. And it'll come up with these. Find your Wi-Fi network. In this case, we're going to connect to EcoFactor. And then you need to enter in your password. Hit connect. Now you are currently connected and your device should restart, at which point you will stop broadcasting that network, and therefore you need to connect to your own Wi-Fi network on your device. Go ahead and go back to here. On the device, you should check to make sure that you're actually connected to network. Viewing SSID. As we can see, we are connected to the EcoFactor network here. So go ahead and hit next, and then hit register. This last step is very important because the device will not actually be active and talking to our cloud network without registering, and therefore you will not be able to access it from the app, set a schedule, etc. Thermostat successfully registered. Hit next. You should check your system by switching to. Check your system by turning it on using the mode button. Heat for heat, cold for cold. There's auto mode, obviously. Off. Assuming that everything checks out, hit complete. This screen is where you would be at if you needed to add another thermostat. Yeah, this thermostat is now effectively installed. Simple.